convert videos to animated GIFs with Prism. Import your videos by clicking Add Files or dragging them into the application. Near the bottom of the window, click the Output Format dropdown and select GIF Format. Click the Output Options button to adjust the quality and enable looping if needed. Click Convert to start the process. Continue watching for more details on how to convert videos to animated GIFs with Prism. To convert videos to GIFs with Prism, begin by importing your video files into Prism. You can do this by clicking the Add Files button at the top left of the screen, or just simply drag and drop your videos directly into the Prism window. Once your videos are added, you can select all of them at once by pressing Ctrl+A, or you can hold the Control key while selecting individual videos. If you want to trim your video to shorten the GIF, click the Effects button at the bottom of the screen. Then, click Add Effect and select Trim. In the preview window, drag the red marker to set the start point and the blue marker to set the end point. Alternatively, you can manually enter the exact time codes for the start and end markers in the edit fields next to each button. Once you're satisfied, click OK in the dialog, then click OK again to close the video effects dialog. Next, choose GIF as your output format. This option is available in a drop-down menu near the bottom of the application. After selecting GIF, click the File Options button to open the GIF encoding settings. In the settings, you can adjust the quality of your GIF. From the Quality drop-down list, you can choose a lower quality for a faster conversion, or opt for a higher quality for a more detailed GIF, which will take a bit longer to convert. If you'd like your GIF to loop continuously, check the Looping checkbox. Once you've adjusted the settings to your liking, click OK, then click Convert to begin the conversion process. When the conversion is complete, click the Open Output Folder button to view your newly converted GIF files. For more Prism tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.